What's up guys, I am Soamalik and in this video I am going to share with you 3 profitable logbook niches. So these niches have low competition and these niches have Google search results, which means these niches have high demand, and also these niches have interiors available on Creative Fabrica. I will leave the links of interior in the description of this video. So I have spent around 1.5 hours and search out and make a list of these dishes. There are only 3 dishes, and I have also noted down the Amazon search results, the Google searches, and also I have noted down the URL of each page. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So I am using self-publishing titles Chrome extension, which shows keyword list score and anything above 63 is considered to be profitable by this extension. This extension shows the number of results, average price, average bestseller rank, and average number of reviews. So let's just dive in. The first one is, let's change the color, that is logbook for truckers. So let's have a look on Amazon and verify our search results again. So search results are 312, which means 312 listings are there for a specific keyword, that is logbook for truckers. Meanwhile, this is loading and it will also show us the average keyword list score, and meanwhile we will be looking at the bestsellers rates of the listing. 85,392, 69,136, 17,000, 19,000, 18,000. These were the sponsored ones, but the rest of these search listings also show good bestsellers rank, which states that that is very good niche to go in. So keyword niche score is 70, number of results are 312, average price is 16.07, average reviews are 146, and average bestseller rank is 385,000. So this first one is very good niche for us. So that is logbook for truckers. So let's have a look on the second one. That is quite interesting one, and that is manifestation journal for women. So let's verify our data again. So it has 609 search results for Amazon, and it had the while this is loading, let's have a look on the bestseller ranks. First one has, that is sponsored word, it is again sponsored. These may not be the very relevant one, but these listings have bestsellers rank. What this means is this niche has demand, and if you manage to produce a very good book in this niche, you are very good. You will be in a good position to make uh, good money from this keyword as well. So you can see here it has 73 keyword niche score, and competitors are 609, average price is 11.69, average bestsellers rank is very amazing, that is 12,381, average reviews are 3,292. So let's find out the Google search value, Google searches. I am using keyword everywhere. It says 0 searches per month, but if we search for manifestation journal, it will show us the number of searches, 135 searches per month, and I have also noted down here this is 609 and it is 135. So I haven't checked the Google searches for first one. Just check out the Google searches for first one before moving to the third one, that is logbook for trucker, and it has 110 searches per month. That is very cool. So these are our two niches, logbook for truckers and manifestation journal for women. It can also be manifestation journal for black women, men, and teens. and this is very good dish to go in. It shows 244 results, which is a very good number. If we search for teens, and you can always dish down and search for another relevant keyword and dish, and you can also search the interiors on Creative Fabrica, and you are very good to go to make money with your books. So this is very profitable keyword again. So let's move to our third one, that is construction logbook. Construction logbook. So let's verify our results, because Amazon shows different results on different times. Every time you will see a variation of the number of searches and other things as well. So it says over 1000, that is within our criteria. Construction daily log site 201 and 23,241, 201, that is the same book, and 64,000, that is job site journal record project construction daily log. Okay, construction and maintenance daily log 10, 1.1 million, that is 1 million. And so this is another good keyword or niche to go in. It shows keyword niche score of 69, that is very good, and number of results 1045, and average price is 73, that is quite high. Average reviews are 69, and average bestseller rank is very good as well, that is 215. Let's just have a look on Google searches. Google searches are 390 per month. I have also noted down this as well. So these are our niches. Logbook for truckers, 312 listings, and Google searches are 110. Manifestation for women, 609 Amazon results and 135 Google searches. Construction logbook, 1045 Amazon results and 390 Google searches. And these all three books have interiors available on Creative Fabrica. You can grab the interiors. Links are in the description of this video and a very first comment of this video. You can modify your interiors according to your likings and publish a very good book on Amazon. So we can also search this one as construction and maintenance daily logbook. So let's have a look. It has 2000 search results. That is not too high, but you can still go with this one as well. So let's have a look on the bestseller ranks are good as well. Anyhow, we have found our dishes, and these dishes are very profitable. Interiors are also available. Just go to the links in the description of this video and the very first comment of below this video. So that is all from me today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.